Hi lovelies, today I'm gonna be doing a vlog on cleaning my balcony. Come with me, let's clean together. It's your girl Ify. Have a nice day time with me cleaning. Okay, let's get cleaning. Okay, ladies and gentle bodies, good day. It's your girl Ify. Today I'm doing a little cleanup in my balcony. I hope you can hear me very well. But I feel like while cleaning, I should do a little vlog here while cleaning. I came to check on my plants, my aloe vera, how they are doing, and they are doing great. Later, I'll try to show you the pictures of the aloe vera, and there are some birds chipping there. It is. I want to clean my balcony today, but I think I should wet the flower first. What do you think? Let's wet the flowers first because I have my aloe vera here. Later I will show you my aloe vera is almost 2 years. I bought it was 2 plants. Should I bring this down so you can see my aloe vera? The balcony is still dirty. I hope you can see my aloe vera. I bought it as a plant, you know. It was in a bucket, one color different and another color different. But at the end of the day, I transfer the different aloe vera, the different type of aloe vera in 2 different vases, and they start growing. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have more than 10. I even dashed some out. Imagine this aloe vera, I don't know, they give birth to another as time goes on. But today I don't have anything to wet my plants, but I think I should get something to water them. I'll be back. I got something to water it, though it's big. It's Amanda Lord surprise bucket. Don't tell her I used it. She's gonna eat me up. Okay, wetting things, wetting the aloe vera. I don't know if you will get to see me. I don't want my plants, my phone to fall. I think I should get something they use in watering plants. I think that is what I should do. That would be better. I'm going to nyama nyama everywhere. But don't worry, I'll clean them up. I'll clean it up. I don't have only aloe vera here. I also have, let me put it up so I won't be bending like what I don't know. I don't have only aloe vera here. I also have pepper. And your girl planted also okra. Imagine, I planted okra. I planted okra. You see my okra later. I will show you. I made a video on it, but I didn't upload. I don't know why. Maybe laziness. You see, I planted okra. I planted pepper. I have basilico here. I have little things here. I'm messing up everywhere, but don't worry, I'll clean it up. That's me. Oh, this pepper is drying up. Oh, save me, save me. The weather is so hot. This pepper down here is drying up. Why? The others are so growing nice, but that one down there is drying up. Oh no, pepper, don't dry up. Don't. Your mama will love you. I'm gonna love you. Please don't dry up. I think the sun is too much this day. everything is drying up, or because I don't wet them regularly. Maybe, what do you think? I should always wet them in the morning and in the night. Oh, yeah, I should do that. Mamma mia. Please excuse me. It's like some people are trying to, disturb this vlog. They are trying to disturb this vlog, but don't worry. Don't worry, don't worry, don't worry. The peppers are drying up. Okay, I want to clean my... Oh no. I'm making a mess. But just trying to clean everywhere so fast. Just a little cleaning, because I cleaned inside this protector yesterday, but today there's dust, okay? Because I don't like dust. It makes me sneeze in continuation. Oh, let me not go and face you, my PK. Let me not go and face you, my PK. Okay. Just trying to, do one or two things. I will wet all this place, then I'll clean it up. It's just a quick clean. Where's the dog? I bring this thing. It's this thing he went to waste. My body. The heat is too much these days. I don't know why. Oh. One is freezing, cooking in Italy, because the weather is very hot, very, very hot. The weather is so hot. Just a quick cleaning, because I still have the children's food to make. So I'm gonna do it so fast. I'm sweating because the weather is so hot. You see my plants? This place is so dirty. I think I'm gonna cut some parts. I'm not removing anything though. I'm just trying to... I put some... I've had that satellite dish for donkey years. But because I don't watch all this Nigeria station, like all those stations any longer, I have my internet and everything. I didn't bother to visit. I think I have to pack my head up. Ooh, this girl is so awesome. Just have to put my head up. But it wouldn't. I'm sweating. Okay. My shoe is just dirty everywhere. But I'll clean. And everything will be okay. this heat, if you think about this weather, you're not going to do any serious cleaning, honestly, because the weather is so hot. When I say so hot, I mean so hot. I don't wear gloves. I'm in my house. This is my house. After cleaning, I wash my hands. I don't wear gloves. The most important thing to me is that these things are clean. Water is already dirty. I get another water. Hi lovelies. I'm sorry I did the cleaning, and after everything I noticed that all I recorded was film. The memory was low. So I lost the video of the main cleaning. But after cleaning, this is what the balcony looks like, where the flowers are. I don't know if you get to see it very well. These are the flowers, and this was what I talked about when I was cleaning. Let me put my tripod here. I talked about this plant. Please don't mind. Let me just wrap my hair. My hair is disturbing on the way. I don't have only aloe vera here. I also have this plant, and this is called okra. This is okra, Nigerian okra. I have some peppers here also. I planted some pepper. This pepper is of last year. This pepper is of last year, and it didn't die. The cold didn't kill it, and I continue to maintain it, hoping it will yarn pepper this year. And these are, like, I think this too is okra. I don't know. I planted them in one vase, but at the end I come to find this in this vase. I think maybe it's some bird that took it there, so I'm still watching if it's okra or not. And this is the aloe vera I'm talking about. This, I bought it in a small vase there, down there. I bought it in that small vase. They were two like, but there seems to be different. This one is the greener one. If you take a look at it, this is very green. Why this? Let me take you to the other one. Why this is very light green. I think this is very light. I think there are two different types of aloe vera, because that one that is there, I also transfer. They came with this vase. I also planted. What should I say? I planted it here because they are like giving birth. So I planted it in this big vase. Just look at how big it is. It's just the same time I planted this, I put this here in the small vase. It's the same time I put this also, but this has had outgrown this. Why? There is something, what should I say? There is manure. I find out on YouTube. I was watching a channel, and this manure is made up of banana peels, apple peels, egg ash, and I, soak it for a long period. Everything peel, even apple peel. So I then soak it for like 2 weeks. The water was really smelling, and I removed the egg hash, and I just pour the ones that can decay, like the apple skin and the banana skin. I just pour them in the aloe vera vase, and if you can see, there are still some flesh of the apple, this thing here. See the flesh, and this thing has been growing like crazy. It has been growing like crazy. My aloe vera is now up to 2 years, and it has been going like crazy. I've dashed some out, and I have some, this thing, basilico here. I don't know what they call it in English. And there is some plant coming out here. I don't know what plant this really is, but I have my okra there, hoping that the okra will germinate, and a lot of pepper. Because my hobby is from Calabrese, and in Italy, Calabrese people are well known for liking spicy food, hot food. So I'm sorry, I did the cleaning and I recorded everything, how I clean, and how, at halfway, I lost all the video. It's just a pity. I brought you along to see how I clean, but we lost it. This is just it. I hope you enjoy watching. Please, if you've not subscribed to this channel, try and subscribe. You'll be loving me, and I will be loving you. See you to the next time. It's still your girl, Ify.